Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to feed the pigs hen. So you wonder is a different area. So this is my mom's hen, and guys, yeah, they're so big. This is where I got my breeds from. So my hens, I got them from my mama, and guys, they are doing so well. So it's my mom's chicken, and guys, it's amazing. They look so good, especially this big cock here. I like the breed. I know. Yeah, they feed so much. If there are so many, they feed so much. So for example, like here they're gonna feed like 1 kilogram. Yeah, 1 kg goes for about 70 shillings. Yeah, and guys, later on we are going to cook, but right now we have to feed the the chicken, the cock, and the hen. And guys, you can see the breed there. That breed looks so good. I do like it. So yeah, let's feed the hen and the chicks. They are all mixed here. So mom doesn't have the small chicks. Yeah, have the medium. She have the medium ones like these ones. So this what she have. She doesn't have the small ones for now because the hen here have not laid. So yeah, she's going to get some later on, but for now she wants to take care of the big ones, and she'll prefer getting the small ones later. So let's feed the chicken. So far I like feeding the chicks and the hen, and so I like looking for them so that they can feed well. So here you make sure that no one, none of the hens have chased the other, so that they can feed all of them. So if you don't look at them, they start fighting. Once are chased, they don't have to chase each other when you are near there. So you stand there, you wait for them to feed, you check whether they are doing well feeding. And guys, later on we are going to prepare something for us to eat. So wajua ni kali and all that, but guys, you have to do all these because kama ufanyi kazi you don't have to eat, but if you do the work you have to eat. So later join me in the kitchen here. So hapa I had to prepare some french fries for the kids and for us too. So let's peel the potatoes so that we can prepare french fries. We call it too. So we are going to prepare it with this sufuria. Hatuna karai ya kupika chipo, but we have to eat chipo. So if you know. Kuchagua kuna kuchagua what you have to do, but we do whatever we want. So hata ukichukua karai pale, uchukue kati sufuria, uweke mafuta and uweke kwa kuni pale, you get your chipo mwitu, very sweet and all that. So let's get to wait and see the result of this chipo mwitu that tumeamua kupika leo. So the kids were like, auntie, si tupikie chipo, auntie, we want chipo. So we have to do it. So auntie ako around and auntie has to do it. So auntie hapa anaosha the french fries zenye ameweza kukatakata and all that. This is how they look after nimekatakata and all that. Hapa we have more. We have to clean them, upate ni safi, tutoe the excess starch and all that. Unajua this excess starch, so we have to remove it so that you can get to pour it on the oil so that they can cook well. So hapa tuoshe hadi kijiko hapa. Acha tuoshe hapa hii kijiko so that we can prepare some chipo for the children. So here in Kenya we call it chipo. I don't know French fries ilitoka wapi, but yeah, we like calling it chipo, and mostly ya kuni hapa tutaita chipo mwitu juu inapikwa na sufuria, so it's chipo mwitu. So tutengeneze watoto chipo mwitu, and guys let's catch up, so don't go guys, tuache tutengeneze chipo as we do other things here outside. Kuna wari bado zimebaki, we have to clean them, so tusiende mahali hata tupike chipo. Mafuta imechemka, you can see it's very hot and it's good now. It's good and ready to start cooking and all that. So yeah, tujikaze hapa tupike. Unajua jua ni kali, but we have to cook there outside because ukipikia kwa nyumba it will take a lot of time. So unapata that firewood is more faster than cooking on gas, and kwa sababu we are cooking much of it, so we have to cook here outside, tusiharibu gas and all that. So yeah, hapa tutaacha ichemke, tuta mix, upate mafuta imefika hadi juu, upate zimefunikwa kabisa like this one. Tufunike hapa kabisa, yeah, and wait for it to cook for about 15 minutes. It will be ready, and guys let's wait to see the results. Tukieka kuni side ingine guys, sijafunga vile. Oops, I forgot, but it's okay. Tupike pale. Hope nywele yangu itachomeka hapa na moto, but it's okay. Acha tuongeze kuni side so that it can cook even. Moto upate moto iko everywhere, and guys it can cook on every side. So as you can see, sahi moto ita spread everywhere, and the chipo ita cook so fast. Even in 10 minutes it will be ready. So let's wait and see the results. This is how it looks. Wow, this is the final results. Look how they look. They look so good and so yummy. So tunaeka chumvi before zipoe, and guys, yeah, they look so amazing. Tunaeka chumvi and all that, so that is enough. And guys, let's shake them. So tutaendelea kupeel the other ones, and guys, yeah, catch up. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Tufike 50 subscribers, and guys, I do appreciate you so much because you are my community, and I love you guys so much. Subscribe guys. Bye.